Yan, tatanggalin. Hayaan mo na muna. Ay. Ayan, bumagsak.
Ang bilis ng heartbeat ko. Siguro dahil si Bossing yun. Kasi, parang start ko ako sa mas nakakapagdali kahit tahimik lang din. So, parang walang
Gagawin yung message para sa lahat ng mga
Yes, I'm sorry to Aswa, and as I'm showing na po, we have a meeting on December 20th at SLR, 1 p.m. SM Megapol, 3 p.m. in Mall of Asia, 5 p.m. And meron po akong laughing and comedy Valentine show with Vice Ganda, Anton, Diva, Joy Colante, Feb 12 po yan, and Feb 13, nakulenda po yan. Thank you, Rachel Brewery, para sa Mango Frigo, Bello, Fiona, and Bosch Mail.
$150 train. Lower will be train $350 train. Only 1,300 pesos. New unlimited generous migrant shopping train. Up to 7% of the world's most expensive train. Oh, money.
Good morning.